I'm going to videotape this. We sectioned a lot of the water out of this room. Wasn't that bad, but it is coming up away from the walls. Firemen squeegeed everything out. And then this is the room furthest from what happened. And all the water, all the carpet is soaked. It's just that only where we've stepped is coming through. This probably room is the worst, except for our bedroom, because this is the room right next to the bathroom, and it's gone all under this bed. And into this closet, and it's underneath there. It just is only showing through the carpet, but it's wet underneath there too. This room is underwater, and I've taken the water out of it 3 or 4 times, and it just keeps coming back. And then of course it's separating from the wall right there, and just keeps coming back after we've squeegeed it. This is my entire living room is completely underwater. They squeegeed it out because it was about 1 inch thick of water. And we put everything on boards.
Hey, Mom.
My patio is completely wet, and we did not water.
Yeah! There's...
No, this is not for Memento, Grace Mason. And this is my bedroom, completely underwater when they first came. This is coming up from the side of the wall too. There was a pillow right here that's now stained the carpet, and it's black on the edges.
Why is it black there?
Okay, you know what? Go out of this room. I'm videotaping this for insurance purposes so they know what it looks like. This is my bathroom, which is separating from the wall. And there's still a bunch underwater, even though we have used towels everywhere. Into the closet there, and the bathroom. And then this is my closet that is completely underwater. And my clothes. We've tried to put everything up on the counter, but as much as we could. But this is gone through, and that goes into the bathroom that you saw earlier, and that goes into my son's room, and it's black on the edges. And we had several boxes of mementos and baby boxes and clothes, and they're now in here. We had all these albums over there, old albums. And then we have all of our furniture up on wood so that we don't ruin it as much as it's already been ruined. And the curtains have soaked up about a foot. We're trying to air it out here because they can't come right now, so we're trying to, and all around the edges of the baseboards is black. It shows up more in here because the carpet is off-white, but in here it's brown, so you can't see it as well. But you can see a little bit. It's black.